Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about Instagram giveaway winner picker software. You publish a post for the perfect giveaway. You make fantastic job advertising it to your custom target audience, but how to actually choose a random winner from the people that like or comment on your post? Well, there is very fast and easy method to do that. Easy promise. I will put the link of the software in the description. With this software, you can create a Facebook giveaway, Instagram giveaway, Twitter giveaway, and more. So click the link in the description, create a registration, and you end up on this page. On this page, tap Create New Promotion. Here you can see there's tons of different types of promotions you can use, but for now, let's take up with Instagram giveaway. We tap on that, we choose organization brand, we connect Facebook account, our Facebook account. Don't worry, it's really safe because the software is well known and respected. So we pick the Instagram business profile, we select the post with the giveaway and tap on continue. Continue. We wait. Here we can use excluded rules like exclude blacklist users or exclude previous winners, minimum number of characters in the comments, for example 10. Comment must include a minimum number of mentions, let's say at least one. Here number of winners and number of alternative winners. Your first Instagram giveaway, it's actually free. So we tap on continue. And now when the promotion is over, just tap on ready to pick the winners. The price for this software starts from $29 amount all the way to $400 amount, depending on what you want from the software. And there is a corporate plan, which is basically custom plan. To see the comparisons of the plans, just choose, for example, basic plan and tap on more information. Here you can see the comparison.